Okay, SonnyBlack. That's my gambit. Statistically, I'm doing just as well in this as anything else. I just play CD here. Okay. Can I just castle? And now just like C3. I guess he solved some problems, but there's a bit of B-file pressure. Bishop G5 might be annoying. Just C4, Bishop F4, just C4. D5. There's king still in the centre. And this might be Bishop B5. Spent some time doing that bishop maneuver. So let's see if we get the C-file pressure. He hasn't developed his king side yet. It's bishop C6. There's a take on knight E5. And bishop C4 might be better. Bishop E7. I can take a knight E5. Mind you then, I know, Rb1, this bishop. Knight E5 here, Rb1, bishop D6, bishop F4, we can just castle. Is there anything better? Bishop G5. Knight G5. Well, just Rook E1 as bishop D6. Knight G5 he castles. Queen H5. H6. Oh, I can get the pawn back. Let's get the pawn back. Queen E2, bishop D6, bishop B2. I can't see anything else. Oh, Rook B3. Knight G5. I'll try Rook B3, just go for a kingside attack, so I'm assuming he's going to castle kingside. Knight G5, so bishop D6, Knight G5. I'll try with a pawn back. Try and stop him casting with Queen B3. I can get him Queen B3. Queen B3 now. Interesting. If I get him Rook D1, I'll actually have some compensation maybe for a change. Well, there's Queen B5 there. I'll keep it on the diagonal. And Bishop A3. Bishop A3 here. There's a bit of a mess, isn't it now? 2 pawns up, but pressure. rook d3, queen c8, queen b5 check. That sort of pressure. Okay. Not so easy. I'll exploit this. So play king f7, he could just manually castle. Rook d1, rook d8. There's rook d6. Rook d6 there. Just forking queen and knight. Now there's knight d2. Just trying to get the queen off e6. And there's queen g4. f3 and g4. f3. There isn't queen d4 check. Queen f5, g4. Can I get the queen off e6? What about just h3 and g4? Is f3 better? Queen g4, f3. There's no queen d4 check. Queen f5, g4. g4. g4 here. Just take and queen e7, maybe queen e7. My king's a bit loose. Knight e4, queen e3. Hopefully I'm not getting mated. King g2, rook c2, rook f2, that sort of thing. There's knight g3 if I need it. Alright, if I take king g2, rook f6 on I. So maybe actually I'll play for rook f6. G5, h4, h4, queen c8, rook c8, h5, Kh6, g5 check. Move faster. g5 and rook f6. Nope. Knight takes f6. G takes. Nope. Oh, something faster. Can't see anything. Right, queen d7 then. Given I can't see a thing. Queen d7. And try to just play rook e7. Just stop rook c8. Trying to avoid getting mated. Right, just rook e7 here. And g5 and rook e7, surely. But then my king's getting a bit exposed as well now. Let's just get the queens off. I'll just win this pawn over here. I'm ahead on time. Knight's good on e4. It was good on e4. I'll let him play that knight b3. Over. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.